you for coming today. My name is Annalise, and I'm from Iloilo, Philippines. Aside from being a migrant worker, I am also an active community leader from various non-profit organizations here in Hong Kong, such as HELP and STAF. Being an active community leader, it takes me a lot of courage to participate community works during my day off. I believe I have those qualities, but I don't believe in myself until I enrolled at Empowering last June 2018. I'm giving you a table to do math to calculate how long I have been at Empowering. Empowering you opened the doors for me to believe that even though I did not attain a degree back in my home country, still I can be who I would like to be as an empowered woman. Empower you, acknowledge me, on my skills, capabilities, and ability to do beyond something for my fellow migrant workers as a community leader. And for myself, I am forever grateful and helpful to have additional knowledge and self-empowerment. To obtain is the power of my mind. Empower you, make me realize that no matter where we are, we can always feed our mind, learn something new, and we can always adapt and embrace change for ourselves and helping our community a better place. Join us at Empowering. Thank you.